my vibe, kill the mood. I'm on no lure by my side. Nobody can change my prophecy. I like the way I'm feeling now.
Hey y'all, how you all doing? As usual, I am that African skincare Gertrude Darko, and so this video is the last and final video of this Dusseldorf vlog. I know this series has been super long, super all over the place, but it's finally done here, right? And so yeah, today we are going to visit a couple of places. I'm also going to talk about expenses I made on this trip and the whole total cost of this trip, just in case you want to visit Dusseldorf on your own. To get to know more about this, stay and watch till the end. Like this video, share it, leave a lovely comment, most importantly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So it cost me a total of 200 euros for this entire trip, including my train fare and other personal expenses. If you are going with 2 or more people, it is quite cheaper, but since I was alone, yeah, it cost me 124.95 per night for that hotel, and my train fare was 37 euros 80. So I would definitely recommend going in a group of 2 or more since it's cheaper. My makeup is kind of messed up a little bit from wearing the nose mask up and down, but I'm currently at the Rhine Tower, as they call it, and there's a very pretty park here. Like, the view is so nice. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to explore the Rhine. I think it's a river, or yeah, I don't know what it is. I think it's a river. Anyways, let's go and find out. I still have about roughly 2 hours before my train comes, and so what I'm looking at looks like some kind of yacht bay or dock, and I don't know if you guys can see the little duck over there, like so super cute. It's so chilly but also so nice. And so I'm going to cross to the other side so that I can get a better view of the Rhine. Back to the summary. So I booked this trip via Travelbuddies. For those in the Netherlands who would like to visit Dusseldorf, it's a good option for people in a group of 2 or more. If you're a solo traveler, well, I don't recommend it, especially as a beginner, because it's way much complex and their things are not properly should I say arranged, so it is a little bit hectic. As a beginner solo traveler, always book hostels instead of hotels. Okay, so now tell me why I packed my stuff. I packed everything and forgot this. So how am I going to, like, I don't know how I'm going to take my photos and all that. Yeah, I forgot yeah. So I guess I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out how to take some bomb photos for Instagram because I forgot the how do you call it? I don't know, but you know, there's this fastener I need to fasten my phone to, and also to the tripod, and I forgot that, so I can't fasten my phone or my camera to the tripod. And so yeah, I think I forgot it in my hotel room or something. I'll have to go and check. But yeah, I'm going to take like photos right now, like some cute photos. I don't even know how I'm going to do it, but yeah. And I have roughly an hour, 2 hours before my train. And so let me just like do it real quick and yeah, go to my next place, I guess. I'm still exploring. I like this video, leave a lovely comment, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Like, I have so many videos that I still need to edit. They're gonna come. So yeah, I'm just gonna take photos and then move to my next location. Aside all the hectic encounters, did I still enjoy Dusseldorf? Definitely I did. I like the fact that Dusseldorf feels big but it's so small, it's so compact. The only downside of this is the language barrier. I think most people in Dusseldorf speak only German, and I wasn't really fluent in German, so it was kind of difficult. But there were like few people in the hotel who actually spoke English, so that was like okay for me.
Over there, I don't know if you guys can see, yes, right there, like an island of birds, and right over there there's like the main road and the church and the town. So we'll be going to explore the town as well. And so yeah, this is the Rhine River. On to our next destination.
All in all, I did enjoy this trip, even though it wasn't the best. I mean, I had my downside. I had times that I actually cried, bawled my eyes out, but I still enjoyed it. And yeah, this is your cue to travel solo. Everyone said solo traveling is easy, but you got to do it like at least once in your lifetime. Also, I recommend to get cash when traveling. Don't just rely on your debit card or whatever, because sometimes you can't actually use it. I had an encounter where I couldn't order food even when I was hungry because I just couldn't pin. So note that as I actually made it into the town square and I was trying to like explore. So right behind me, yeah, this was a church. And yeah, moving on. So the streets look filthy because they had carnival. That's a kind of festival. There was actually nothing to do in the town square, so I decided to go and visit this Japanese garden that I found. And so on our way to the Echo House Garden, let's go. I also noticed that Dusseldorf has a lot of luxury, magnificent apartments. Like, tell me how this apartment looks like a castle. How? And I made my way into the rich neighborhood. Like, wow, just look at the cars that are parked here. I was like, oh, wow. I was actually shut of words. From my phone screen, you can see we are going to Echo House, and I don't want to be a spoiler, so let me just leave you. And then when you get there, you're going to see the surprise that I have for you there. Actually, don't have to be surprised, but you're going to find out something. At this point, I was exhausted. I couldn't even lie. I've been roaming like the whole morning after breakfast, just roaming, trying to explore, like trying to eat my last,
ignore the fact that my makeup is all rubbed away. But per my observation, houses here are bigger than in the Netherlands. They're much more nicer, to be honest. I just love the building and they are so grand. Anyways, I'm on my way to the Japanese garden. I don't know, I think it's called Eiko something. I don't know the name. I just showed you guys. And so, yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Where I'm supposed to be. Echo House, the Japanese culture. This is where I have to be. Let's go. I think this should be like a lucky well.
Now look at this place and tell me it's not magnificent. Look at this place. I was like, I felt like I was in Japan, like that moment. I was like, okay, guys, listen, I'm not even hearing. I am in Japan, okay? In order to visit the main house, I had to pay, but I didn't plan for it. So I was like, you know what, let me just stay at the exterior and let me just enjoy the view. Okay, because me, I don't have money. So those are bonsai plants. They're like a bigger version of what a bonsai plant is. If you don't know what it is, you have to go look for it on the internet. And the bridge, okay, everything just looks mwah. I still managed to get a little view of the inside, just small one, illegally. And so yeah, that's how the interior looked like. I wasn't going to pay, obviously, because I was broke at that point. Like I didn't even know how much it cost. Probably much have been, not too much, but still. Anyways, I just love the serenity of this park, and it just brings some kind of peace. Unfortunately, the time that I went, the cherry blossoms were not blooming, because it was the early part of spring, and so I couldn't get that. But I was going there purposely for the cherry blossom, but I still got to see the bell tower, and I just love the garden.
So this is our last destination for today. I'll be leaving Dusseldorf in a few minutes, like half an hour. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I did, even though it was short. And so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a wonderful comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and don't forget to share my videos. Before I go, always remember to be you, do you, live life, and they're the finest things in life. Love God and aim for space. And I'll definitely see you on another exciting video. Ciao.
Hallo?